Hey, how's it going? It's old Gooserooter here from Geraldine, but we're actually in Mayfield at the moment for the Mayfield tractor pulling, so the track's all ready to go. So while we're waiting for the big boys to have a play, we've got the wee kids out here having a play. Isn't that cute? Actually, it'd be quite funny if a tractor run it over, like you see on, you know, The Simpsons and all those sort of things. Oh, winner, winner, chicken dinner. So this is our sled tractor. So basically, short version is the pulling tractor goes across the weigh scales, weighs up, let's say it's 10 tonne. This here will load up to 70%, which is 7 tonne. So because it's weight to weight, this Honda Pioneer here has actually got just as much chance of winning because it's that weight to weight. So you get a 10 tonne tractor, it weighs up to, this weights it up to 7 tonne. So if you got this here, and let's say round figures, because you know round figures are always easier, let's say this is a tonne, this will weigh in at 700 kg. So it doesn't matter how many horsepower's in your tractor, it's done on weight.
bits and pieces. There we go, he's got it up. One little touch there as he settles into the run. Bit of smoke coming out of the big cat. So you'll see it lift again as he kicks it down on the Ellison transmission. So if you're looking for photos of his nose and an ear, you'll see it again in a minute. So obviously the pull.